What's up, y'all? This is Laze, the producer. In this video, we're going to go over the new expansion that just dropped. It's called the Bazzazian expansion. And if you don't know who that is, he's a music producer based out of Germany. He's had a lot of hits out there and he's got a unique sound, and we're going to cover it today. So not only did the expansion for Maschine drop, and there's also a complimentary plugin that dropped with it that you run in Contact 7, and it is the Bazzazian tapes. We're going to cover that as well. And I'm just going to say this because some of you all don't know, but these Maschine expansions, they actually work in battery too, and there's some file structure stuff, so you can pull up loops and one shots and all that other cool stuff. So it's not just an expansion. So if you don't have Maschine, you still like it, you could still use it with battery, you could still use it with Contact, you could still use it with your DAW of choice with the file structure and stuff. So we're going to cover everything today and just kind of give you a preview so you get a better idea to see if this is something that you like. All right, so I've got the Bazzazian expansion pulled up, and there's some demos that we can preview. So let me just play a few just so you get the idea of what you can do with this. Pretty dope stuff. Really unique stuff. Of course, these previews are pretty nice too. Like, that's fire right there. That's pretty sick. Some samples. Let me just load that up real quick so we can see what's in here. All right, so these are chopped up. And these one shots, you can always put them in keyboard mode. All right, let's keep going. Like the drums. I like big, fat drums like that. Oh, that's sick. The MTWG kit. Sick. Got some 808 bass here. I'm pretty dope. That's the Schwein kit. This was the Schmutz kit. In German, that means Schmutz means like dirt. Some of y'all that know, I was an army brat that lived in Germany. Oh, that's fire. This would be dope also, like if you were doing like a beat for Kill Bill. I mean, you could do some real dope stuff with this. So let's open up the file structure real quick just to see what you get. So you can see right here, these are the loops. There's a lot of content in here. And for some of y'all that don't know, I actually made a Native Instruments expansion myself, and it's a lot of work. There are a lot of sounds that you have to deliver. I did the electric touch one. There's a lot of stuff in here. Like, you can really put some dope beats together. So these are the full beats. Keys are labeled. Hi-hats. Pretty helpful. Kicks. So you could just load them in if you wanted to. There you go. Got that loop. I'm just gonna throw some random stuff on top. Throw that in there. It's gonna be fun. That's cool. Let's mess with that. All right, so let's load up another instrument here. I'm gonna just put some drums on top. Here we go. Let's quantize that. Shift, pad 5. Nice. Oops, undo, shift, undo pad, and we're going to quantize it. I'm just going to select it right here, 132, there we go. Shift quantize again, there we go, easy. That's what I like about Maschine, it's real easy to use. All right, let's see what else. I'm just going to layer. That part, huh? Push it around. Oh, my timing was awful. Let's see. Alright, cool. Quantize saved me. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Man, I guess that's pretty much done. Could put a 808 bass on that. Well, there we go. That was a quick beat we just put together using loops. That was pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out some of the one shots here. You use your keyboard too. Let's use that. Let's use that. Let's see. I'm just going to drag that over here to another track. Oh, actually, I have to create a new group. Drag it down here. Okay. And just put it in keyboard mode. Now the polyphony is 8, so that means it'll play 8 at a time on top if I hit 8 keys. I'm just going to put in legato. There we go. This glide works too if I wanted to use it. I'm going to turn it down for now. That sounds like it's about right. Alright, let's record that. Here we go. 2, ready, go. There we go. Quantize. There we go. Beat's pretty much done. Just needs to be arranged, drops, stuff like that. All right, so I pulled up Logic and I've got the new Bazzazian tapes play series instrument on, and let's go ahead and check out some of these sounds and see what we got. All right, so you got some bass sounds here. That's a nice 808 right there. Cool. It's got some glide on there. That's pretty sick. What is that? Bowed string. Wait, a future folk? Yeah. It's a nice one. That sounds pretty dope. That kind of sounds like a sample. Let's put an ARP under here. ARP. It's a little bit more R&B-ish, but be a cool little experiment. There's some reverb on there, but let me put what I would do. I'll throw some of this spaced out on here. Ooh, that's pretty dope. Pretty sick. I would try that on some of the other sounds. Let's see what else we got. So that was Haze. If anyone's interested in that. That's cool. That's fire. Dope. Piano mute sequence. All right, what's next? Just throw it in this ARP. I want to hear this. That's pretty dope. I mean, there's a lot of, minor-ish. This is minor too, but there's a lot of like, dark gangster shit with these sounds. But you hear some of these sounds are cool and unique that you could do more than just that. Put some space down it. A lot of good different flavors. A lot of presets. Oh. Let's throw some sauce on here. Really good sound design there. All right, so my final thoughts on this. With expansion packs, they're tailored, they're curated for specific style, specific sound. And me personally, I like the sound of Bazzazian, the producer. I think his influences are similar to my influences from the history of music producers in hip hop. I really like how the distortion was used, real tasteful. If I was doing like a movie score beat, like a Kill Bill type thing, or just not even that, maybe just something real dope like a Transformers or something, I'd probably use this expansion to make something really dope. When you're in the movie theaters, you're like, oh, So if you're into these type of sounds, I say it's worth it. I personally like both offerings. I think they work well together because one is kind of like a synth with all these different sounds that fit well with this type of style. And yeah, so you heard the majority of what it has to offer with that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some value. And if you have any feedback, just leave it in the comments because I'm trying to pump out more of these videos and really provide some value. So without further ado, that was me, Laze the producer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, it's all good. And if you like the content, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.